Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this car seat gap organizer. So basically you have your car seats and then in between you have a little console, and a lot of times there's a gap there between the seat and the console and stuff falls down in there. So someone had a brilliant idea and they're like, hey, let's just make these little trays that go in between there, and that way you can put stuff in there and take advantage of it. It won't fall there and go under your seat and stuff. So here we go. That's nice, actually. Has this little logo on here. Nice stitching with these little metal rivets or whatever like that. But they have a nice firm area here, so then it spreads out at the top, kind of rigid there. So you can just press those down in between your seats and it creates this nice little pocket here. So that's actually pretty cool. Got a couple of these. It comes with two, so you can put them on either side of your console there. And has some instructions here as well. So this comes with these little wedges. And you can push the organizer down in between the chairs and then kind of wedge them with these. Boom, put them in there, put the wedges in there, and that's going to keep them from collapsing. So pretty sweet idea. I'm going to go put this in the car and let you guys see it, but you get the idea. Put that in there, put the little wedges in there, and it can hold your phone in there. It could hold your purse, a wallet, all kinds of cool stuff like that, and extra space. Plus, it looks really nice. So let's go put it in the car and check it out. Okay friends, as we can see, there's a giant crack there in between the seat and the console. So you drop your cell phone down there or whatever, and it's going to be under your seat and difficult to find. So with this, you simply just slide this down here. That goes in between the seat, and nice and stable there. You can put these wherever you want, if you want to move them up a little bit or whatever. But you can see that now that crack is now gone, and we can put maybe our cell phone in here, or our garage door opener. Maybe you want to put a little purse or something else, hand sanitizer, little knickknacks here and there, put some napkins, whatever you want. But you can do this for both sides because there are two of these. So really a great idea. Help not only maximize your space in your car, but also keep things from getting lost under your seat and whatnot. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.